Hi fellas, this is Schematics again to the solution. Welcome back to another video tutorial. Well fellas, now we're gonna solve this question. So at first let us read this question. So here the question says sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes on heating. Okay. So this is the equation given for the decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate. So the question says, what is the maximum volume of carbon dioxide in dm cube which could be obtained by heating this amount of sodium hydrogen carbonate? The gas volume is measured at room temperature and pressure when the molar volume of gas is this. Oh, hooray! Here the molar volume is already given. So here the amount of mole of hydrogen carbonate are also given. So these are the information that are given. So from this uh, information, we using this information, using these pieces of information that are given in this question, we will find the maximum volume of carbon dioxide formed. Okay, as simple as that. So here is the formula. Okay, so yeah. So here should I write? Yes. So we should use this formula that volume of gas is equals to number of mole multiplied by molar volume. Okay. So we're gonna use this formula over here. As simple as that. Here we know about the molar volume, which is 24 km cube per mole. We will also come to know about number of moles, since number of mole of sodium hydrogen carbonate is given. So here, since here all the sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is expected that all sodium hydrogen carbonate has been decomposed. So this mole should be correspond to the carbon dioxide. Okay, so here there is one thing that we need to know, that all sodium hydroxide hydrogen carbonate, I mean hydrogen carbonate, all sodium hydrogen carbonate is decomposed. Okay, all sodium hydrogen carbonate is decomposed. Okay, all. So this is the assumption over here. So now we can use this amount of mole of sodium hydrogen carbonate in order to find the number of moles of carbon dioxide by using the mole ratio. Here the mole ratio with sodium, why am I saying sodium hydroxide, as it is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, this is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, this is my mistake. Oh, well, by the way, so here the mole ratio with sodium hydrogen carbonate with carbon dioxide is 2:1. Okay, so the number of moles of carbon dioxide, therefore the number of moles of carbon dioxide, number of moles of carbon dioxide would be the half of number of moles of sodium hydrogen carbonate. As simple as that, since the mole ratio is 2:1. So from here we can easily find the number of moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, so number of mole of carbon dioxide would be the half the number of moles of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so we already know the number of moles of sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is 0.25. Okay, 0.25, so which will give us as 0.125. Okay, so here we can also find using this formula, volume of gas carbon dioxide produced. So volume, therefore the volume of carbon dioxide gas would be equals to, okay, the volume of carbon dioxide gas would be uh, volume of carbon dioxide gas would be uh, number of moles, which is 0.125 in this case, multiplied by 24 dm. Okay. So they have asked us to find in order to in terms of dm cube. They have asked us to find in terms of dm cube, so we will use 25 dm cube. So which will give us as 3 dm cube. So this was as simple as that. So the answer would be 3. Okay. So the answer is 3 dm cube. So fellas, I hope that you have understood the question as well as the solution. Here we're gonna simply use this formula, and this is how we're gonna find this. So since the total mark for this question is 1, so therefore we're gonna get 1 minute in order to solve this question. So we need to do it really fast. Okay. So the calculation that we have done here, since the video is very long, since we have discussed many things regarding this calculation, so you must not take more than 1 minute in order to solve this question in your exam, during your exam. Okay. So you need to do this orally, okay, if possible, in order to solve this question. Here we have discussed some of the uh, facts of this question. Okay. So I hope that you have understood the facts and some of the features of this question. So I hope that by this meantime you have come to know how to solve this question more efficiently. Here we just need to find volume of gas, okay, that they have asked in here, volume of carbon dioxide gas, and here we just need to find number of moles and molar volume. Since here all sodium hydrogen carbonate is being decomposed, okay, decomposed, so this would be correspond to carbon dioxide by this ratio 2:1, and where the number of mole of carbon dioxide is half the number of moles of sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate. And by this meantime we will come to know about the number of moles of carbon dioxide, which is 0.125, and we just need to multiply this with the molar volume of gas, which is given as 24 dm cube, and here it is, the answer we will get. Okay. So this was as simple as that. So fellas, this is it for today. So in the next video tutorial we're gonna solve another question. Okay. So until next time, stay cool, stay awesome fellas. Best of luck for your exam. Okay. So best of luck for your exam. Stay cool, stay awesome. Until then, and as always, peace with chemistry.